Now that we're getting started, here's some important things you need to know. Through these workouts, you can use tools. For example, a dumbbell. We're going to use this for weight to add load to movement. It's important for you to select a dumbbell that best suits you. So if you're unsure, start light. The program even works without dumbbells. We're also going to be using a resistance band. Now, if you don't have one, that's okay. You can do it without. Also really important to note is how you pick up and place your weight down. We tend to think about how we perform the exercise during the exercise. It's important to also think of quality movement when picking up and putting down load. So other things to take note of when you're going through these programs. Meet the movements where you're at. What that means is take your time. Now, some of these movements may be new to you, and that's awesome. I just want you to take time to learn the patterns before adding load. Also, if some of these patterns seem advanced for you, take your time. For example, a jumping exercise, you don't even have to leave the ground. We'll offer you modifications to meet you where you're at. You will also have access to a movement library. You will be able to click on each individual movement in order to learn the specifics on how to perform the movement correctly. Now that we're ready to go, enjoy yourself.